Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Diva here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm super excited to be following a new TikTok trend. I have been obsessed with TikTok nonstop. Follow me at cohlsworld. But yeah, I feel like TikTok is just where all the bad bitches are, and I'm the baddest, so I have to be there, you know? But TikTok is so much fun. You guys need to check it out. There's everything. I'm obsessed with the cooking shows, the food. What have you guys been obsessed with? It seems like every day there's a new trend on TikTok, whether it's food or makeup. Today I'm actually trying the new Alexa Demi trend. She is a beautiful girl. She was from the HBO show Euphoria. She was my favorite character, and today I'm gonna be recreating that look. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe. If this video shows up, leave a comment down below, and yes, let's get started. I'm gonna be playing the TikTok right here. It is from this beautiful girl, Lil Bitty Livy. She is so stunning. Oh my gosh, check her out. I'm obsessed with her TikToks. Basically, this TikTok is literally just what I've been doing my whole life. Why am I not famous yet? Why am I not always trending? Why am I not going viral? I'm not sure, but for some reason when other people do it, it's iconic. So I've done this look before, but it's really simple, but it makes a huge difference. I'm gonna be giving you guys a step-by-step on how to do it. But I would also like to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with Glamnetic. They are a really sickening lash brand. I'm super excited to talk about them a little bit more later, but let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture, also known as Mac Daddy's brand. I love this brand and I love nudes, so baby, my nudes are supreme. This palette screams me. I love it so much. I'm just a neutral type of girl. I like wearing neutrals every day. I also love using color and all that jazz, but this is literally Pornhub for me. It's sickening. Okay, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer, and I'm gonna be first priming my eyes with the Putty Eye Primer from e.l.f. This shit is sickening. Let me just say it's so good, girl. I'm just gonna be taking this on my finger and just lightly applying it because I do have concealer on this outer part and underneath my brow just to brighten my face a little bit. But I'm just gonna get this all around and just tap it in. Okay, so starting off the look, I'm going in with Nudist. This shade, you guys, is so pretty. And in the video, she kind of just takes it up here and just really focuses it on this little line. You guys see, like, there's this like little line, you can barely see it right here, and she just kind of follows hers. So I'm just gonna lightly apply this shade because this is all about light. This type of eye look really lifts the eye and gives major drama, so that's why this has just become such a trend. I don't know why this keeps coming in and out of trend. Like, I've seen this trend like 3 times already this year. I've already done 2 videos on this type of look. And then I'm gonna kind of pack it right here so it's pretty pigmented and slowly buff out. I'm using a Morphe M514. This is like my favorite Morphe brush. It's like legit the best. And now I'm just gonna start deepening it up. That way we can actually see it. But all I'm doing is taking this shape right here and going right here. Then I'm gonna wing it out. So the reason why you wanna go really round and then wing it out is because that's really gonna give you that pulled look out here. It's gonna look sickening. Okay, so this is what it should look like, or at least this is what it looks like on me. This is where the point where she cut the lid now, so that's what I'm gonna do. She kind of took it like right here. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the planes, like there's literally nothing I can do about it. She kind of brought it in like that and then cut her crease. Okay, so now it's looking pretty good. So now it is time to deepen up the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with, let's go in with this one. I don't know how to say that word, but it's this one. And we're basically just gonna stamp this just above the lash line. So I'm gonna start with this little packing brush from the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill. And I think it's called Silhouette. I think that's what the shade is, but I'm just too scared to say it because you guys love to drag me for that. And I'm just gonna pack it just on the outer corner and kind of like going up in this type of shape. Just like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the Nudist shade. I kind of want to bring this Silhouette shade up just a little bit up here, just to help give it more of a cool tone look. If you see, there's like weirdness going on right here. I don't know what happened. I think maybe the last time I got my brows waxed or something, but yeah. This is what it should start looking like now. So you can see we're starting to get a little bit of a lift out here, and it really brightened up my inner corner. I'm gonna pack on this really light shade Exposed just to give us more drama. More drama, diva. Okay, so now you guys can see I made it a little bit of a wing with the shade Mink. This really cute chocolatey brown down here. And now I'm gonna be taking Silhouettes to blend that out. We're just gonna take it and kind of just like go around along the edges. Just to get that very diffused look. There should be like no really lines. as you can see. Ooh, I love this. Moving on to lashes, and this is also the sponsored portion of today's video. I teamed up with Glamnetic to show you guys their magnetic eyelashes. Magnetic lashes are just made for girls like me, just the everyday, on the go, things to do, boys to see type of girl. And all you have to do is apply a magnetic liner and a pop on your Glamnetic lash line, and girl, you're set. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple styles. My favorite style that I'm going with today is a VIP. I just love the simplicity of it. Like, I love the fact that you can just stick it on and go. And also, I think it's so cute how the lash is literally on a little magnet strip. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I put these on. So first I'm gonna go in with my Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Liner. That is a mouthful. You guys can see it has a very, very precise tip. Super cute, and we love that we stay on. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Literally, so simple, you're done. And then you're just gonna let it dry and pop on your lashes. So simple. And you guys can also see the liner is super black, which really helps. While that is drying, they have so many different ones, from faux mink to even colorful lashes, and I thought these were so cool and so festival. I'm gonna be going in with the style VIP. You guys can see these are really flared and fluffy, so cute. Girl, I'm so excited to show you how easy they stick on. Like, they're honestly literally magic. Girl, I'm Houdini, what? All you do is you place it on the middle, and girl, it's already on. It's already literally stuck on. And then you just apply it. It's so easy. You can literally use your hands. If you're having a little trouble, use some, you know, lash application utensils, which Glamnetic also has. You guys can see how fast I just put on that lash. And then girl, she's on there. You guys can see, hopefully, she's on, girl. She is stuck there. You guys can give her a nice little pull too, like she's on. These are really convenient and really cute. Now I'm just gonna apply my favorite mascara to adhere them both. You guys, look at this transformation. I am fully gagged. I'm turning into the diva that I really am. If you guys want to cop these gorgeous lashes, you guys can get them at glamnetic.com. I'll have it all linked down below. And you guys can also use code DIVA to save. You guys, look how fierce I look. Period. Okay. So now we're getting started on the lower lash line. So basically they just do the opposite effect of what you normally do. So I put the lighter shade out here instead of in here. This is Nudist. And I'm gonna take Silhouette in here, and then I'm also gonna draw that little inner corner with Mink. Look how I'm holding this mirror. How jacked up is this? So taking Silhouette, you guys see how I'm like leaving this little space right there? I'm just bringing that down and then blending it up. I actually don't think I need to go in with Mink. I think that one did enough. I'm just gonna go in and detail it. So now it looks like this. This is pretty much the final look. Okay everyone, so this is the finished look. I feel so sickening right now. It feels so good to be back on YouTube and back in my element, girl. I just feel sickening. Let me tell you, I feel amazing. Before everyone attacks me in the comments, my lips is Morphe Love Bite, Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Touch Lipstick, and Anastasia Undressed Gloss. You guys, this gloss is everything. But last but not least, you guys know I'm going in with my staple. This Morphe Luminous Setting Mist is just unreal. Okay everyone, so that concludes today's video. I have been so obsessed with TikTok and all the trends. I'm so glad I got to recreate this one for you guys, and I'm so glad to try out more of them. Don't forget to check out Glamnetic. I'll have everything down below. You guys, they are so easy to apply, so nice, and you can see they are super cute, and I love this pair because they're sultry, like they're so... My man's downstairs waiting for me, and girl, I'm looking like a snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye divas!